Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're going to take a quick look here at the brand new 2024 East to West Della Terra 312BH travel trailer here. This is a 2-slide-out, 2-bedroom travel trailer with a small outdoor kitchen. We're going to take a few minutes here, run you through the inside and outside. We're going to get started first on the inside, and then we'll come on back to the outside. So stepping up into the new Della Terra, on this model here, you're going to have a hanging closet right here on the left as you're going into the RV. Place to hang your coat, kick your shoes off, and then on the right, you're going to have a nice large pantry we'll look at here in a few minutes. But this thing, again, 2 slide outs. So you got a slide out here in your living room area and your kitchen area basically. And you will have a slide out in the bunk room as well. So nice little entertainment area right there. You got that electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. Propane leak detector down below. Furrion stereo with indoor-outdoor speakers. You got the TV right there. A little bit of overhead cabinet space. Some of your controls here for your awning, slide, monitor panels, and some lights. And then here is going to be the adjustable shelf pantry. So you do have a motion light up in here. And then you have these adjustable shelves that you could obviously adjust or completely remove if you did not want one of them in there. The unit has an 81-inch tall interior height, so a little bit taller than some of the other brands on the market. The sofa has storage underneath of it as well. You're also going to have that sofa be able to flip down into bed mode as well. You have nice, large, deep tent safety glass windows. Pull down night shades. You'll notice the slide floor matches the main floor. You're going to have an oversized wide dinette with large drawers underneath. That dinette will also make a bed. Over here, you're going to have the 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt Everchill refrigerator. And again, it is 12 volt powered. You're going to have that propane stove and oven, hood range light and fan, and also the traditional microwave. High-rise sprayer faucet. You have some really nice plywood kitchen drawers with the full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. A little vent up top here. The unit also has the Winegard Air 360 Plus TV antenna on it, which allows you to add a gateway connect and subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon internet service, and you could possibly bring internet with you. But a very nice family coach here. And we're going to continue on forward here a little bit. You'll even see little odds and ends, little sales things here talking about, full privacy doors, wood trim working. This is a nice sturdy 3-inch thick constructed wall here where most in these bathroom areas are typically like 1.5 inches. So it's kind of nice to just try to build it a little more heavy duty so it'll last longer for you. You also have, again, a walk-through bath area here. So we got a skylight up above, step-in shower, ABS tub surround. You have the pull-across vinyl door there, porcelain toilet. Then you do have some storage underneath your sink area there. Decent amount of counter space in here. Large medicine cabinet there. You have your on-demand water heater control here as well. And then this goes back pretty deep here, so you can kind of cram some of your towels and linens and things in here as well. Now for your bedroom, you're going to have a large sliding door for privacy here. But this has the Camper King. The bed raises up. There is storage underneath. You got electric outlets and USB charger ports on both sides of the bed. Hanging closet on both sides of the bed. Overhead cabinet space as well. This one was ordered with a second AC, so it has its own drop-in AC right here in the bedroom to kind of cool this area down. You also have your own entry-exit door right here as well. So if the kids are back there crashed out sleeping and you're still out partying, you can come in this direction and hopefully not wake them up. Over there, you got another window that'll open. You got TV hookups on the wall as well, so you could mount you a nice TV up here, put it on a swing arm maybe, swivel it around. Now in the back end of the coach, we'll walk on back that way, you're going to have the kids' room. And back there, they got a nice little setup for them. Right here is your control for your GE air conditioner and the propane furnace. But back here, the kids have their own slide back here, giving them even more room. So you got a sofa down below that will make a bed. There's storage underneath of that. That top bunk actually flips up, so when it's in seat mode, you could sit down without hitting your head there. But you do have, again, sleeping right there for 2 or 3 people, depending on their size. Over here, you're going to have quite a bit of storage as well. And you have 2 oversized bunks. 4 windows back here in this bunk room area, and all 4 windows do open. There's another little roof vent up there. You also have TV hookups back here on the back wall. Pull down night shades in this area as well. And same thing back here. They made the slide floor match the main floor, so no carpet. So tell me in the comments down below, guys, what do you think? You like the look of the new 2024? Stepping outside here, you're going to have an aluminum sided RV. This thing has, again, 2 entry doors. They did put the heavy duty more ride entry exit step on both doors. You have a really nice rounded rolled front end to try and help make it a little more wind aerodynamic. You're going to have a large pass-through storage area here, motion light in here, another one on the other side. But look how nicely finished off this is compared to a lot of them where you just see raw stud work and stuff. You have power front and rear stabilizers along with a power tongue jack as well. You have the power awning on here with the LED light strip built in, adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head in case of electronic failure. You do have the Suburban on-demand water heater right here, little pet-friendly leash latch holder there so you can tie up Fido. You're going to also have the electric outlet and cable outlet here, so you could set you up a TV outside if you wanted to. 2 outdoor speakers. They're down here about ear level, so they're not up real high where you got to crank them way up and annoy your neighbor. You know, you can actually hear things a little bit easier when they're down here around ear level. You're going to have that furnace exhaust out right there. It is a dual axle unit, easy lube hubs, drum brakes. It is currently riding on Goodyear Endurance tires. Heated enclosed underbelly again. Got a window in your main door here. Back here, you're going to have the little kitchen area. So we got a mini fridge here. We have a Suburban griddle right here as well. Cold water spray port. Again, you're going to have those power rear stabilizer jacks down there. Spare tire mounted on the 4-inch square tube bumper. You're going to have prepping in the top right corner for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. Nice telescoping ladder, helping you get up and down, on and off the roof. You got prepping in the top center right there as well for the Furion rear observation camera. That is a nice camera system to consider adding to any of these RVs. It allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into your campsite. Now over here, again, you got 2 slides, so you can kind of see these sticking out here on this side. Both of these slides are pre-prepped for Soul Air slide toppers. That is a nice feature to consider adding. It's an awning that rolls in and out over top of the slide room with the room as it goes in and out. And it just helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. Going forward here a little bit, you're going to have your dump area. So everything kind of comes out of this area right here. You're going to have 3 separate handles, gray, galley, and black tank right here. You have your detachable 50 amp power cord on this one. That looks like it's probably close to, I'd say, 30 feet long roughly. Down right about right there is the freshwater tank drain as well. It is a gravity fill freshwater tank system, so if you don't have water at the campground you're going to, you can fill that up and take water with you. You have a really nice docking station here as well. So right here you're going to have your solar charge controller for the 200-watt solar panel that's on the roof. Cable and satellite inlets, electric outlet here. You got your city water inlet. You're going to have your hot and cold outside utility shower, battery disconnect. I can also operate both of my slides from right here, so I can do it from inside or from out here, depending on what you're doing. But that might come in handy if you got a electric pole or water pole at the campground or something you're trying to make sure you don't crash into. You can stand out here and do that. Now, right here, you're going to have some very important informational stickers. So, for example, this is the production date sticker. So this one was built 5/24 of 24, model number 312BH. It has a gross vehicle weight of 11,335 pounds. Do not exceed that. That's axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. You're not allowed to go over that. You're going to have a dry weight of 9,101 pounds the way this one rolled off the assembly line, with an exterior length of 38 feet. Tire size, ST 225/75 R15 E-range tire with an 80 PSI cold. It is very, very important, guys, to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV. That is extremely important. So you're going to have a 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, again power tongue jack with the light built in. You're going to have 2 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator, and room for 1 or 2 batteries to go here on the front side. Lower diamond plate metal with another little hitch light. So it's kind of nice. You got your hitch light on the actual power tongue jack, and then you also have another one there on the front. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you don't mind helping out my channel. And as always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.